explanation.
You know what?
So Jaden,
Yes, Isaac.
what are you doing today?
I'm picking up the pieces.
Pieces of what?
You wouldn't believe.
Pieces of what?
My mug.
Yeah,
Got some fresh break bed.
yeah.
What would you like on your toast, Isaac?
I'll have some jam.
Oh, we don't actually have any jam.
Oh, never mind then. I'm boiling the kettle, go get the record.
Too bad we don't have any scones. Can I have some help in the garden?
Yeah!
I just figured I'd get your expert help on the garden. It's really complicated. So this is my garden. For some reason nothing will grow. It's very complicated, obviously, by the looks of it.
Just one more thing, this is where you're wrong, Jaden. You see, you need to put things in the garden that work.
Just like this lemon.
No, Jaden, not just like this lemon. As you can see, Jaden's gardening isn't working very well. Jaden can't grow just ordinary vegetables, but it doesn't stop there.
Wow, I would never know that. So what's one of the alternatives, Mr. Isaac?
Well, it may not be able to grow plants, but what you can do is grow the rock. You can plant a maximum of 12 rocks per season in this place.
Oh, sweet. And can you grow glass?
Yeah, you can grow glass.
Oh, sweet. Yeah.
You can also grow beams. These are two naturally growing beams that seem to have been here since before Jaden moved here. As you can see, he could have done better if it wasn't going into the wall.
Oh, yeah, those have been here since before I've been here.
Yes, they are very handsomely mature. A good wheel in the ground always adds value to your backyard garden.
Wow, Isaac. It's so surprising what you can really what you can grow in your city garden in the backyard. In your city backyard garden.
Possibilities are endless. Lead contamination doesn't necessarily mean starvation.
Can you grow sticks?
No, that's the one thing you can't grow, sticks. You can't grow sticks. After a hard day's work in the garden, we should see all of our work come to fruition in 100 years when it's all gone. Except for the tyres. Tyres will be here forever.
Yeah. Thanks for your help in the garden, Jaden.
No worries, Isaac. Wow, haven't we learnt a lot today, Jaden?
Yeah.
It's a good thing that we are able to work in the garden. One more thing, Jaden.